Welcome man to Alphamantraining.com, and in this live video we will talk about that you need to move to those places and take action. Look, if you sit down at home and you creating some plans but you're not making action, nothing gonna change. You will not achieve results. You need to move, you need to step, you need to move forward. That's the key. That's the key if you want to achieve something. You need to fly to those places, you need to meet those people, you need to get knowledge from them, you need to take action, you need to do action. You cannot just sit at home or watch videos and hope that life will change. Look, if you're not moving to those places, nothing gonna happen. A tree, is standing in one place. A tree cannot move. It's standing and growing in one place. And that's why, earthquakes or some other people cut the tree and tree dies. A tree cannot move, cannot step, cannot go, but you can. You can go, you can step forward, you can achieve, you can watch, you can achieve that. That's the key. In my life, I achieve it by doing this thing. Not being a tree who is standing in one place, but moving forward, flying, meeting people, taking action, and there is no failure. Opposite the failure is success. But if you're not moving, you're not taking action, you're not going to those places, you're not meeting bad people, you will not meet the failure. You will not achieve a failure. You don't need to be afraid of a failure. Don't afraid to fail, because opposite is success. If you will not go out and will talk to that girl, so nothing gonna change. So the key is for you to move. If you're not moving, you're not changing, you're not meeting those girls, so nothing gonna change. So you need to do action. I know one man who has no money, but he is moving constantly, every day. He's moving to shopping centers, he's moving to streets, he's approaching, talking to girls, and he has a lot to say. He has much more say than an author who wrote maybe 2-3 books. Because every day he's taking action. And he's discovering very new things which you will not find in any book. Because those things lies on my practice somewhere, in those places where you need to go, move, step forward. So we created this brand new 2020 DVD from Approach to Sex with 5 different women, version 2. It's a very amazing DVD. So you gonna make some action. You're gonna make some action. That's what it's gonna be. You're gonna go to the street, approach a girl, learn from that approach. You're gonna do action. You're not gonna sit down at home, but you're gonna do action. You're gonna move forward very, very aggressively, and you're gonna achieve everything. But by doing action, not like staying like at one place like a tree. So look, people are moving with cars, every day moving, because life is changing when you are moving, when you're making action. So I wish you to make an action, and it was Alphamantraining.com. Until next time, see you.